So did you think about it that how many people try to make a sentence but couldn't be a success to make a sentence? You know what's the matter, like a major problem of that's habit? I will tell you one thing. Because who know the English and who doesn't know the English grammar, then he could not be he could not make a sentence structure. Without grammar you cannot learn. I am not telling you कि you cannot speak like accent like a foreigner accent, British accent. You can speak also, but you have not, yeah, you cannot make it's your own sentence like a grammar which is formatted have and be a good structures. So we are talking about it in this video. So hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all well and welcome to my YouTube channel English with Raj. And we are going to share with you whenever you hear whenever you watch, whenever you learn, then first of all you have to keep a listening. Listening is the most powerful trick of the learning any language skills, so that you should listening anyone more. So it's a first trick. Then second trick is reading books and newspapers that will help you and improve your vocabulary. So you should cover it for a beginning time. So if you are beginner, then you can do this and be a confidently fluent. So यदि आप न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हो, उसका वोकेबलरी पता है और आप सुनते हो, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सुनते हो, देन आपका वो वोकेबलरी के साथ साथ वो रीडिंग हैबिट स्किल्स इम्प्रूव होगा। और जब आपका इम्प्रूव होगा तो आप कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा। कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ साथ आपका वो जो थिंक इन इंग्लिश है वो सबसे ज़्यादा पावरफुल होगा। सो जहाँ तक हो सके इंग्लिश को जितना सुनिए और अपने माइंड में रिवाइंड कीजिए। एंड I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.